Gondor egg breaking machine. Simple and efficient operation, suitable for different production needs. Eggs run stably and will not break. Size can be customized. Air compressor presses the eggs tightly. Separate the yolk and egg white. Turn on the switch. Place eggs into the feed trough. Transfer eggs to egg breaking area. Eggs fall out of the outlet. Continuous operation without lag. Application display. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability. Innovation, precision.